So if you have issues with Premiere Pro not opening or locking the file menu, that started happening to me and many other people. For me, it might work with a few panels like these, but if I go to, for example, this panel, it would not open. So the solution is fairly simple. Go to Preferences and Device Control, wait for this to open. Now it takes a long time. I don't know, it's always been like this in almost all Premiere programs. It takes a long time to open. So switch from whatever there is here to none. That might take again a moment, and then just OK. And from now on, the whole thing should be resolved. And it seems to be working for everyone, or most people at least. Now, the funny thing is, if you go again to Preferences and Device Control, again, it will actually show the same thing. It will be showing those devices. I don't know why the guy who discovered it also didn't know you can, I've switched it many times to none and it was still defaulting. So I discovered it here. So this person did a lot of digging, and he or she, probably he, discovered the issue. So thanks to that person. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, ask in the comments. Have a good one. Cheers.